Supposedly a first world city, and what was caught on camera was a chilling murder. A woman in the subway in New York was set ablaze. It's sent shockwaves across the world. The video, it was all caught on camera. Look at that. We've, of course, blurred out the graphic visual for the viewer. The woman was sleeping in the subway when a man comes and sets her ablaze and then sits and watches her burn and charred to death. It's an absolutely horrific visual. Many are questioning, wondering why did others not come to the rescue of this woman. New York law enforcement officials have arrested one Sebastian Zapata, a 25-year-old Hispanic male from Guatemala, who's been accused of coming into American territory unlawfully and has been taken in custody. Our Foreign Affairs editor Geeta Mohan is joining me on this. Geeta, it's a mind-numbing visual. And I'm trying to understand what exactly happened, what are the police saying about it, and this brings in the whole immigration issue, illegal immigration issue that has been such of a heightened nature for American politics as much.
Well, that's right. It is a shocking incident, one where the authorities and investigators have not been able to find any connection between the victim and the culprit. And he stood there when he set her ablaze. So certainly not just investigations, they will be looking into what went behind Sebastian Zapata doing what he did. But the fact of the matter is that it will bring to fore, Pooja, like you rightly pointed out, illegal immigration issue in the United States of America. This certainly is going to become a major issue for the Republican Party and for Trump administration that is going to take over in January and the 20th of January. So, yes, a major incident because we've not witnessed or seen such an incident where a person is set ablaze, the man still continues to stand over there. He does not wish to run away. His clothes remain the same when he's caught. So certainly this is going to draw a lot of attention in the United States of America.
Geeta, please stay on with me. This has been an absolutely horrific visual. And remember, in a busy subway, how was that woman not possibly saved in time? A woman burned to death in a manner in this. A random suspect just comes into the subway and then burns this woman, sets her ablaze. Absolutely horrific. We have more news coming in from the United States of America. Let's take a look at that.